Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for you as we dive into the world of robot vacuums. We've researched and compiled information on some of the top models available in the market. Whether you're a pet owner, tech enthusiast, or just looking for a hands-free cleaning solution, we've got you covered. Kicking off our list is the ILIFE V3s Pro. This slim and sleek robot vacuum is designed with pet owners in mind, featuring tangle-free suction for effective hair pickup. With a low-profile design, it effortlessly cleans under furniture and has a run time of 90 to 100 minutes. The anti-bump and anti-fall sensors ensure a safe cleaning experience. Next up is the iRobot Roomba 694, a Wi-Fi connected powerhouse. With a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes, it efficiently tackles dirt on various floor types. Smart navigation, compatibility with voice assistants, and personalized cleaning recommendations make it a top choice for tech-savvy users. The ILIFE V3s is a versatile robot vacuum with a unique brushless suction port, making it ideal for pet hair. With 6 cleaning modes, app control, and voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, it offers a customizable cleaning experience. The upgraded FreeMove Technology 2.0 ensures efficient navigation and anti-collision capabilities. For those looking for a premium option, the iRobot Roomba 3 Plus is a standout choice. With smart mapping, automatic dirt disposal, and room-by-room navigation, it takes cleaning to a whole new level. The self-emptying feature means you can forget about vacuuming for up to 60 days. Shark's AI Ultra Robot Vacuum stands out with incredible suction power and matrix clean navigation for precise cleaning. The self-emptying base with a 30-day capacity HEPA bagless system makes maintenance a breeze. Perfect for pet owners, it also offers hands-free control through Alexa or Google Assistant. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 solution, the TCL G8000 Pro is a great option. With 4,500 pascals suction power and a 150-minute runtime, it efficiently vacuums and mops. App control, quiet operation, and smart navigation with gyroscope technology make it a reliable choice for busy households. Mami's BR151 robot vacuum offers both mopping and vacuuming capabilities. With a slim design, automatic charging, and smart movement system, it's perfect for hard floors, low-pile carpets, and pet hair. The app control, remote control, and voice commands make it a user-friendly option. Lastly, the Roomba Q7 Max Plus stands out with its auto-empty dock pure, providing up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning. With powerful 4,200 pascal suction, twin cleaning power, and precise LiDAR navigation, it's a high-tech solution for efficient and effective cleaning. And there you have it, folks, our roundup of the top robot vacuums in the market. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision for your cleaning needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy cleaning!